Good morning, children. Welcome back to your online classes. So today we'll start maths. So we started fractions. So we started fractions now, children. So how much exercise? Yes, just I'll say. Yes, I have explained as exercise 4. Take out your textbook. Those who are not having textbook, please don't worry. Just we'll send PDF now. So you can copy in that. Now I'm writing exercise names. So which exercise I'm going to do, and I'm writing exercise names also while teaching. So you can copy in your rough book. Those who are not having rough notebook, okay children, just copy in your rough books. So I have completed exercise, I have started exercise 4. I did first main, write the equivalent fractions of the following. So equivalent fraction, you did by division. Yes, no children? The next, reduce to the lowest terms. Lowest means we have to divide only, we can't do multiplication. Because multiply means it will double the number. So you should divide lowest number means you have to divide it. So next, check whether the following fractions are equivalent or not. So they are given, see I have started exercise 4. Third main exercise 4. Those are not page number 167, page number 167. Those who are having textbook, just open 167. Those who are not having textbook, please copy what I'm doing on the board, copy in your rough book. Okay, children? Check whether the following fractions are equivalent or not. So first one, 3 by 6, comma 6 by 12. Just how you are going to do 3 by 6 and 6 by 12? So you have to do cross multiplication. You have to cross multiply. Yes, you have to do cross multiplication. If I give two numbers, you have to do cross multiplication. See this, you should do by this and this. So how can you check whether it is a equivalent or not? See here, 3 12s are. So you can write 12 3s also. Okay, children? 3 12s are 6 6 are. 3 12s are how much? 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. 6 6 are 36. So how much you got the answer? So the product, this only we say product. So answer we get, no, that is a product. The product in both the cases we get the answer is same. So therefore the two fractions 3 by 6 and 6 by 12 are equivalent fraction. So these are equivalent, therefore equivalent fraction. So this is equivalent fraction. We'll go for second sum, B. So the product in both the cases is the same. See, answer is same. See, both are same. So if both the answer we get same, when we do cross multiplication, this you have to do cross multiplication. See, 3 by 6. You should not write 3 6 6 12 no, cross. See, I did cross multiplication. 3 12 36. 6 6 36. So both when we do multiply, we get the same answer. So it is equivalent fraction. Second sum, 5 by 7. 10 by 12. 5 by 7. 10 by 12. Here's cross multiplication. 5 tens are, no, 5 tens are, 5 12s are. Here, 7 tens are. Yes, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. 7 tens are 70. So what we got? So this is not an equivalent fraction. It is not equivalent fraction. So how to write here? See, the product in both the cases are different. See here, in the product in the both the cases are same. Here product is different. So when the answer comes different, so it is not equivalent. Therefore, it is not equivalent fraction. So it is not equivalent fraction. Yes, see there? It is not equivalent fraction. See, NENT. Okay, children? So if answer comes, the product comes different. So it is not equivalent fraction. Okay, children, copy down. Yes, shall I rub the board? Yes. Next is 2 by 5. C, 2 by 5, comma, 14 by 35. So you don't know 35 tables. Just I'll say here, 2 by 5, 14 by 35. I know, up to 12 only you have learned the tables. 13 and all, you don't know the tables. So how to do? I'll teach cross multiply. 2 35, 2 into 35. Next, 5 into 14. So if you don't know, just write 35 into 2. 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 3s are 6, plus 1 7, 70. 14 into 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 6 7. So here both, okay, both, here the product of both the cases are same. So therefore it is equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Yes, no children? If both the answer comes same, it is equivalent fraction. Next is 9 by 11. D1, 9 by 11, 27 into by 33. So 9 by 11, 27 by 33. You should copy same here. It is comma. We should do cross multiplication. Cross means 9 33. 9 into 33. 11 into 27. So we want the answer. So 33 into 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 2 carry. 9 threes are 27. 28, 29. So I got the answer 297. So here 27 into 11. If it comes to number 1 7s are 7. 1 7s are 1 7s are 7, 1 2s are 2, plus 1 7s are 7, 1 2s are 2. 7, 7, 8, 9, 2. See here, you may think 33 into 9, one digit number. So you got direct answer 297. Here 27 into 11. You made 27 11s are 277. No, you should do like this. I know so many 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44. Like that you may think 11 27s are 227. It's wrong. You should do like this. See, 1 sevens are 7, 1 twos are 2, 1 7 plus next step if you want to go plus 1 sevens are 7, 1 twos are 2. So here also 297. So here also it is equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. EF means, but you should write full equivalent fraction. It is, therefore, it is equivalent fraction. Just copy, you write full, children. Like write like this. Therefore, it is equivalent fraction because the product are same. Product are same. Let's copy down. Yes, shall I rub the board? So next E. 4 by 9. 16 by 45. So what you should do? Cross multiplication. You should do cross multiplication. 4 into 45. 9 into 16. So 45 into 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 4s are 16, 17, 18. Next is 16 into 9. 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. 9 1s are 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here you got 180. Here you got 144. What you should write? Therefore, is it equivalent or not equivalent? See, both the product are not same. So it is not equivalent fraction. So it is not equivalent fraction. Okay, children? Six by 7. 30 by 35. 6 by 7. 30 by 35. Do cross multiplication. 6 into 35. 7 into 30. So I'll do it here. 35 into 6. 6 ones are 6 5s are 30. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 19, 20, 21 because carry is there. 6 is 18, 19, 20, 21. Here 210. 30 into 7. 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So 210. So when you do, it is, see the product came same. It is equivalent fraction. Yes, copy down, children. Yes, shall I rub the board? Yes, next, it is our now example sums. See, now we finished equivalent fraction. We'll start addition and subtraction of like fractions. Addition, add 3 1 by 5 and 2 3 by 5. See here, for example, this is first method. 3, this is add 3 1 by 5 and 2 3 by 5. As I told, this is numerator, this is denominator, and this is whole number. Yes, no children. So the first method, what you should do, add whole number first. 3 plus 2. Okay, this is whole number. See, this is 3 and 2 is a whole number. Next, plus 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. So how will you do addition? So see here, whole number just we have written 3 and 2, just we copied here. So next is plus 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Yes, no children, numerator and denominator we have copied. What 3 by 3 plus 2, how much? 3 plus 2, 5 plus, see 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 by 5. Or what I told, the denominator will be always the same. So I have copied this 5. So 1 plus 3. So equal 5 plus 3 plus 1, 4 plus 5. So you should copy like this, 5, 4 by 5. See here, how to do addition. You may think, oh, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 5, 2 plus 3, 5 by 5. No, children, the whole number. First, this is the whole number. Last class also I have done whole number. When you want to do improper fraction, you should convert into mixed fraction. This is mixed fraction. Yes, no, children. So, this is whole number. 3 plus 2 plus 1 by 5, 3 by 5. So 3 plus 2 is equals 5. This 1 plus 3 equals by 5. 5, 4 by 5. So your answer is this. We should do the addition like this only. So example 2 sums like this. Same. Example 2. See here. 2, 3 by 4 plus 5, 3 by 4. How you should do? The whole number you should copy 2 plus 5. And 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. This here, 3 by 4 same, 3 by 4. So 2 plus 5 how much? 7 plus 3 plus 3 by 4. Denominator will be always the same. So 7 plus 3 plus 3, 6 by 4. Answer is 7, 6 by 4. Your answer is 7, 6 by 4. Yes, shall I rub the board? Yes, addition we did. Next, the second method also it is there, children. How you should do? Change the mixed fraction into improper fraction and add the numerators. Change improper fraction into mixed fraction. See here, mixed fraction to improper fraction to mixed fraction. Okay, children? How you should do? Yes, see here. Second method. This is second method, children. So change mixed fraction into improper fraction. After add the numerators, change the improper fraction into mixed fraction. See, 3 1 by 5 plus 2 3 by 5. So how we should do? We should do, see here, 3, 1 by 5 plus 2, 3 by 5. When you do, see, this is mixed fraction. Change into improper fraction means 3 into this, 3 into 5 plus 1. After this also same. See here, this also same. This denominator will be the same. Here also 2 into 5 plus 3. See here, 2 into 5 plus 3. This last class only I have taught you how to do mixed fraction into improper fraction. See, 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 plus 5. So if you want direct, how the method means here. See, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 by 5. 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. Here, 2 5 2s are 10 plus 3 by 5. So, 10 plus 3, 13 by 5. So, this is improper fraction. This is improper fraction. So how much is the answer here? 16 plus 13. 16, you should write here this up. 16 plus 13, denominator will be same. So this 16 plus 13 equals, do here 16 plus 13, 9, 2. 29 by 5. So this is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator will be greater, denominator will be lesser. So this how you should change into, how you should change your children? Change into mixed fraction. See, a change into mixed fraction means 5 by 29. So how you should change your 5 by 29 means, see 5 ones are 5, nearest number. In 5 ones are 29 is not there. What you should do? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. 25. So what you should do? 5 fives are 25 means, how 5 fives are 25, 9, 5 goes means 4. So what you should do here? This is whole number. Whole number. Yes, no children, this is whole number. This is new numerator. New numerator. This is denominator. So whole number is 5. New numerator is 4 by 5. So you got the answer. If they give like this, two sums convert into mixed fraction and improper fraction means, so you should add like this. So you'll get improper fraction. We want the mixed fraction answer. Yes, no children? So see here, you got answer 5, 4 by 5. So you may think, see, 3 plus 2. Just I show this, copy this sum children. You may think how you got 4 by 5, why ma'am did improper fraction, mixed fraction. No, see, I'll do it here only. See, 3 plus 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3, 4, 5, 5, 4 by 5. You will get a direct answer, but they have asked improper fraction to mixed fraction to improper fraction. So I did that long method. Addition means only you can do like this. That is second method. Okay, children, that is second method. What it is? Change mixed fraction into, this is mixed fraction. They have asked change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So I got 29 by 5. Yes, no children, this is improper fraction. They have asked change the mixed fraction into improper fraction to mixed fraction. This is example sums just I did. Just go through what is improper fraction. Numerator will be greater, denominator will be lesser. Here, this from improper fraction you can, proper fraction you can't convert. See, this is improper to, you can convert into mixed fraction. From mixed fraction you can convert into improper fraction. Okay, children, just copy down this. Next, subtraction. Next is subtraction. Next is subtraction. See here, 3, 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7. What you should do? Just you should do minus. Here, 3 minus 1, whole number you have to copy. When you do like this, sorry children, plus 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7. Just you should copy like this. Okay, children. When we do this method, we should write here middle plus only. So 3 minus 1, 2 plus 2 minus 1. See here, 2 minus 1 by 7. So how much is the answer? 2. 2 minus 1, 1 by 7. You got your answer. See, subtraction you should do, but in the middle when you put bracket, your plus symbol should be. So 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So you got the answer. Subtraction. Okay, children. This also convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Improper fraction to mixed fraction. See, this also 1 by 7 from, oh, see, if it is less number, we can copy down like this. The question is 1 and from 3, 2 by 7. From 3, 2 by 7 means, so we'll copy 3, 2 by 7 minus 1, 1 by 7. So how we should do? So what you should do? 3 by 7. 3 into 7 minus 2. Okay, children, by 7. Here minus 1 into 7 minus 1 by 7. You should copy down like this. Okay, children. So 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2. Plus 2 it won't come up. So it is plus only, children. So we'll do plus no. Sorry. Plus 2 by 7 minus 1 7s are 7 plus 1 by 7. See, 21 plus 2, 23 by 7. 23 by 7 minus 7 plus 1, 8 by 7. This method, as usual, you know, we'll do like this only. So plus, here only we should do minus. So when you do minus 27, 23 minus 8 by 7, denominator will be same. So 23 minus 8. So you can't cut 3 fingers 8, so you should borrow here. It will become 1. Here it will become 1. So 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Up to 13 I'll count. I'll get 5 here. Here 1. So your answer is 15. 15 by 7. This is improper fraction. So convert into mixed fraction. What you should do? 7 15s are 7, 15, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, minus 1. So what is your answer? Whole number, new numerator, this is denominator. See here, this is improper fraction, this is mixed fraction. So subtraction, when you do this method, you should do 3 into 7 plus 2, here minus. So you should copy 21 plus 2 by 7 minus 7 ones are 7 plus 1 by 7, 21 plus 2, 23 by 7, 7 plus 1, 8. So you'll get 15 by 7. That is improper fraction. This is mixed fraction. Okay, children. So we'll start exercise 5 in the next class. So here I'll end my class, children. So I'll give you homework. Max homework. Write Roman numbers 2 times. You know what is Roman numbers? You will write no 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is there. Write Roman numbers from 1 to 100. It is there in your classwork. This is your Roman numbers. You should write like this. So you write 2 times, children. So next class I'll give you this fraction only. Those who are not having textbook, just I'll write it on the board. Okay, children, you can do the sums. So just copy. This is your maths homework. Write it in your maths homework. Okay, children. Here I'll end my class. Thank you.